Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up Instagram Reels. Want to make fast motion reels? In this video, I'll show you how to speed up Instagram Reels using the built-in tools and external apps. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Instagram Reels camera. And to do that, just open Instagram and tap on the plus button and select Reel. I'm just gonna access Instagram, and as you can see, the layout in my tablet is a bit different, but if you're using mobile version, the icons will be displayed at the bottom as normal. As I'm using a tablet, the icons are displayed in the left side. So I'm just gonna click on the plus button, and then I'm gonna click on Reels. For example, I'm just gonna click on the plus button, and then I'm gonna select Reels here and tap on the speed icon. As you can see, this one right here, and you can choose a speed option. You can select multiplied by 2 or 3 or even 5, and record your reel while Instagram automatically fast forwards it. The third step is to speed up an existing video. And to do that, tap upload and select a video from your gallery. And Instagram doesn't have a built-in option for uploads, so use a third-party apps like CapCut, InShot and VN Editor and import your video, adjust the speed and save it. The fourth step is to add music and effects. Now after speeding up your video, tap on the music icon to add songs. You can also add effects, text and stickers for more engagement. And for the fifth and final step, post your reel by clicking on next and write a caption and add hashtags and choose a cover, and then tap on share to post your reel. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to speed up Instagram Reels. Try this technique to make fun, engaging and fast-paced videos. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.